Where's the chickie? Oh, yes, she is a good girl for Auntie Pauline. Yes, she is. And that's your squeaky toy? Is that your squeaky toy, darling? What a good girl. Hey? Missy? Where's Sam? Where is he? Where's Sam? Is Sam coming? Is he coming? Do you like Sam?